Adform Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Adform are in the description. Adform is an advanced programmatic advertising platform designed for agencies, advertisers, and brands looking to optimize their digital campaigns across display, video, mobile, and social media. It's built for businesses that need comprehensive tools for data-driven advertising, campaign management, and advanced audience targeting. One of Adform's core features is its end-to-end solution, which provides everything from demand-side platform, DSP capabilities to data management and creative optimization. It supports cross-channel advertising, allowing marketers to run unified campaigns across multiple platforms from a single dashboard. Adform's data management platform, DMP, enables powerful audience segmentation, leveraging first-party and third-party data to reach the right consumers with the right messages. The platform's real-time bidding (RTB) feature ensures that ad spend is optimized, delivering better targeting and higher ROI. Adform also offers powerful reporting and analytics, providing transparency into campaign performance with granular insights into impressions, clicks, conversions, and more. This allows marketers to make data-backed decisions and adjust campaigns in real time to improve results. Another standout feature is Adform's creative management tools, which allow for the easy creation and optimization of dynamic and personalized ads at scale. It also integrates with various third-party analytics tools and ad exchanges, providing a seamless workflow for agencies and brands. Security and privacy are top priorities, with built-in features to ensure compliance with GDPR, CCPA, and other data privacy regulations. Adform is especially beneficial for mid to large enterprises and agencies that need a scalable solution with advanced targeting, automation, and campaign management. Its flexible pricing model is tailored to different business sizes and needs, and it offers a demo for potential users. Overall, Adform is a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that gives marketers the tools they need to execute high-performing programmatic campaigns. If you're looking for a robust, all-in-one advertising solution with powerful optimization features, Adform is definitely worth considering. Links for more details are in the description.